So, you think you know Canva, huh?
You might have experimented and created your first designs.
You might even have taken a Canva course or two before.
Yeah, you discovered Canva and tested its potential. That's a good start.
But what if you could take your skills to the next level?
Yeah, like pro level. If this is what you want, this is the right course for you.
This is not a regular course. This is actually 10 courses in one. And yes, you heard it, 10 Canva courses. Kind of like a Canva bootcamp.
We have put together 10 amazing hands-on projects that you can apply in real life to boost your business or your career.
That's right, and that's why it is so long. We believe it is what it takes to go from being a regular Canva user to actually master the platform and become an expert.
Yo, Diana, you said it's 10 courses in one, but it's also 2 teachers in one, right? Let's introduce ourselves. We are Ronnie and Diana, the yin and the yang, the masculine and the feminine, Mars and Venus, water and fire.
Ronnie!
Well, you get the point.
Yeah, the point. Let's get back to the point. We are both passionate about Canva and we enjoy sharing our expertise in fun, easy to watch and dynamic videos. Actually, Ronnie got so good at it that Canva decided to hire him.
Diana is a Canva certified creative and I work at Canva as head of communities. In our job, we spend a lot of time talking to Canva lovers, just like you. That helps us understand what to put in our courses. We understand what you guys really need. And this constant connection with our audience and their pains helped us become best-selling teachers both in English and Spanish on Udemy.
So yes, you are in good hands, my friends. You will learn from the best. This is la crème de la crème.
Now, how about you guys? Is this a course for you? I would say if you are a freelancer, a virtual assistant, or content creator, if you are an entrepreneur, a small business owner, if you want to create a strong brand and find your first clients or get more of them, if you already use Canva and are serious about leveling up your Canva skills to a pro level, then the answer is yes.
Yes! You will learn so many things in this course, like how to use Canva to design Zoom backgrounds.
Create your very own Bitmojis and design with them in Canva.
Create gorgeous animated stories for Facebook and Instagram that will for sure stop the scroll.
Create super easy websites and landing pages.
Design irresistible thumbnails that will get people to click on your videos.
Create a killer resume, either for you or a client.
Shoot professional photos without a studio, with just a phone.
Use your Canva designs on mockups to bring life to them.
And design powerful business proposals to attract more clients. Still not sure this is for you?
No worries! We are giving away free samples for you to taste, like the vendor at your favorite fruit stall.
We left the introduction of every section of the course free to watch, so you will get a preview of each of the projects we are about to tackle.
Yeah, so go ahead and watch them after you finish watching this promo video. They should help you decide whether or not this course is a good fit for you.
Alright, so what do you say? Are you ready to push your limits and take up the challenge?
Or are you going to chicken out and remain a regular user forever?